Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome back to my channel. I work in here if you've been here before. We're makeup and fashion our passion. Today's haul, well not haul, but today's showing of my purses is my Juicy Couture collection. I have way more than what I'm about to show you guys. We cannot seem to find them. Someone was shopping in my closet, and I'm just now starting to notice more and more things are gone. And the first thing I noticed was gone was my Gucci plastic shoes, and then my Coach yellow shoes. Like certain things are just missing. Some of them I've already discovered that they're missing, and some I'm discovering that are missing since I decided to videotape this. So somebody made out like a pickle. Alright, so this is Juicy Couture. Isn't that pretty? And this is from their website. I've had this bag for over 10 years. Still looks in brand new condition. Like I said, I have a lot of bags. But you can tell my favorites because my favorite ones are kind of worn out. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. Okay, it's magnetic. This is how it looks on the inside. Now I had a wallet that matches it, but I can't seem to find the wallet. So let me make sure. Yeah, I can't seem to find the wallet. There's a wallet that came with this. Isn't it pretty? And this is the what do you call a messenger bag. Like I said, I had it for over 10 years, and this is before they started selling to Kohl's. I've bought a few purses from Kohl's, and I put it like that, they charged a lot of money for them, and the purses started peeling. And I was like, I didn't know it was from Kohl's because I bought it online, and it wasn't until it started peeling that it dawned on me something was wrong with this Juicy Couture handbag, because they just don't peel like this. That's when I found out when I went back to the site and started looking at other purses. These were Kohl's purses. These were not directly from Juicy Couture site, what they consider the black label. I was so pissed because I was like, I didn't know that because I would have never bought it, knowing they were selling Kohl's was making it cheap. But it is what it is. I learned a valuable lesson, and it's gone. All right, so this is my other Juicy Couture purse. Come on now. Now this didn't come with it. I put this on here myself. Just a keychain. Alright, so this is how it looks on the inside. Okay. I haven't worn this in almost 3 years, if not longer. Like I said, I have a lot of purses. But this is how it looks. Okay, that's one. Now I can't find a purple bag that matches this. This is the backpack. This is how it looks. Sequenced. Let's see if we can get closer and see the name on it. Juicy Couture. Now this here is also a Kohl's bag. And I know this because it tore up and had to be fixed. And these are some of the pockets on it. This is how it looks. There's a side pocket here. And one over here. I guess you can carry some water in it, like a water bottle. And this side looks. Then it has this grab handle. And in the back of it, where the straps are for the backpack. Isn't that cute? Just so cute. Alright, now moving on. This one was given to me as a gift. I have yet to wear it. So I don't know why it's peeling. I've never worn it. But this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm going to find something to wear this week. Probably get to go on another shopping spree and buy an outfit that'll match this. Like I said, I build my outfits around my purses. But that's how it looks. Cute, isn't it? Alright, so this is a tote bag. Juicy Couture also. Now it looks yellow, but it's really cream color. Up in here it's showing that it's yellow, but it's actually cream. There's nothing wrong with it. I have yet to wear this bag. Yeah, it is. What the hell? I'm gonna have to wash this. It stains. How come I'm just not noticing this? This is how it looks from the back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash this. Yeah, it's from the top. From the front, rather. Okay. Now this one here, I have been wanting for years. And it's very rare that it comes up for sale. But I was able to find it on eBay. And this bag went for like $200-300 or something like that. I got it for $85. And that's how it looks. The accent on it. This one is called the bird something. See, I've yet to wear it. It still has a cushion in it. Thought it would have a price on it, but it doesn't. Inside, this is another nice purse. I really do like it. I'm gonna have to find an outfit to match it. Okay, so here's another tote bag. I have yet to wear this also. Isn't it cute? Right, let's look in the inside. And that's what it looks like in the inside. Like I said, I have yet to wear it. Right, moving on. This here, this is a cold purse also. Like I said, I didn't know that I was buying cold products. Because the Juicy Couture website was down for so long. I think it took like a year or two before it came back up. So I was getting these purses thinking they were from the Juicy Couture itself for the black labels. And it was actually cold made, which means the product is not going to be that great. But this one I've worn once. And I bought these separate and just put them together. So this is a coin purse. And this is a wristlet. And like I said, I put them together myself. This is the back. But it's so cute. Let's see. I got the tag still on it. Oh, it's only $39 for the wristlet. How much is this one? I used to keep my tags on. So if something happens, so people's, because in the past when something's happened to myself and they destroyed it, this one was $29. Now I keep tags on my purses, so if something happens and I tell the person that damaged it or the kids damaged it, you owe me so and so much. A lot of people have said to me, "Ain't no way in hell you pay that kind of money for that. I'm not gonna pay you that kind of money. You ain't pay." And then I take out the bend over to the cup or take the tag out, and they get to see it for a price. They be like, "Girl, what's wrong with you?" And they're like, "You need to replace it. I warned you about your kids and yourself." So that's why I keep these on, even though I worn it already. Alright, so here's another Juicy Couture tote bag. This is big enough to carry on as a carry-on for the airport. I've yet to wear this too. I've had this one for a year now. A year and some months. Isn't it cute? Okay, let's see how it looks from here. Okay, let's see how it looks on the inside. That is how it looks on the inside. So, and there's one pocket here. Right there. Well, I'm sorry. Where'd it go? I guess it's not a pocket. Oh, here it is. The pocket is right here. So one inside pocket. Yeah, this is cute too. And it's off-white also. Unless I'm missing something. I am slightly colorblind. Alright. So here's another one. One of my faves, but I've yet to wear it. I had two of these. First one I bought, the straps came broken in it. And I tried to do my best to fix it. But I knew if I put any weight into the bag, it was just going to tear completely off again. So this is what I ended up with. Okay. So here's another one. Which I've been meaning to give to my niece, my youngest niece. But this is how it looks. I've just been lazy. Don't want to go through my bags. It's too much. Okay, here's one of my most favorite, the messenger bag, and this one. I think it's the right one. Yeah, this one here are my all-time faves. I've never carried it. I think I got it on sale for $199, and I have yet to carry it. Let's see if I can hold it up. Alright, these are the only straps that come with it. It didn't come with a shoulder strap. And this is Juicy Couture. Everything here that I'm showing you is Juicy Couture. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Okay, inside pocket. It says shop. Some more pockets over here. Like I said, this is one of my faves, and I have yet to wear it. But I knew that was a good price, because otherwise it was like $400 something for $199. I was like, nope, I'm not out of my mind. Okay. So this is another Juicy Couture one. This is real leather. And this also came directly from the site. Or was it eBay? I'm not for sure. But it's real leather. This is how it looks. It's got a mirror attached to it in the inside. This is how it looks in the inside. Pocket here. Pockets here. Let's see if I get in closer with that. Alright. Now this is another one. I do believe I bought my mom one as well. I haven't used this in over 10 years. I forgot all about it until recently. I'm trying to straighten it out as much as I possibly can. But this is what it looks like. Now this is my second favorite. Or maybe this is my first one and the cherry one is my second. Yeah, I'm good like that. This one is my favorite. My favorite one. And this is how it looks. As you can see, it says Juicy Couture. I'm not going to be able to unzip this with one hand. But that is how it looks. The charm that's on it. Really pretty. Alright. So here's another one of my Juicy Couture bags. I call this the whistle bag. As you can hear it. Let's show it to you. It comes with these two charms on it. The dog tag and the whistle. And the whistle does work. See, it does work. So it's serving a purpose. I forget what they call it. The car seat bag, I think is what this one is called. And this how it looks. Yeah, I haven't worn this bag in like 5 years either. I think I have 2 more to go. Cause I can't seem to find all of my bags. But this here messenger bag, I was gonna give it to my niece, and then I gave her something different for her birthday. Cause her first Juicy Couture handbag came from the store, and it was a messenger like this, but it was pink and green. I don't know what she did with it, but I bought it for her, and she was only like 5 or 6. Yes, that's too much for a little girl, but Juicy Couture make bags for little girls as well. So there you go. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's zipped up, so I can't see it in the inside. Yeah, as you can see, it says Juicy Couture on it. And then last but not least, one of my quick 1-2 favorites back in the days. It's this one. This is Juicy Couture. Let's see if it's unzipped. Let's see. I think I got it. I think I got it. Yes, I got it. It decided to work. So this is the inside. As you see, there's 2 pockets here. Let me see. Oh, it's 1 pocket. Okay, it's 1 pocket here, and then there's a pocket over here. Pocket right there. Isn't this just so cute? What is the some of the paint is missing. Alright, guess to go to the trash now. Don't have a problem with that. Alright, well this is Natasha. And depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. God bless. Bye.